Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments related to power system simulation lab. The experiment is time constant calculation of RC circuit. As shown in the circuit, DC voltage source is in series with resistor R and capacitor is connected across it. As we know, when capacitor is initially discharged, it acts as a short circuit. Like a capacitor can be compared to our empty stomach. Like when we are when our stomach is empty, we take food as much as we want. So when the capacitor is initially discharged, it will act as short circuit. So it will take some time to get charged to the full voltage. So time constant here of the RC circuit is given as tau equals to RC. As soon as this capacitor gets charged completely, it starts acting as open circuit. It like even when our stomach gets completely full, we are not going to take more food. So what is time constant here? Time constant is defined as the voltage required to reach 63.2% of the final value. So to this circuit, when we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, we are going to get Vs minus, and voltage across the resistor is given by I into R minus, and the voltage across the capacitor is Vc of t. So by solving the above equation, we are going to get the voltage across the capacitor, which is given by Vc equals to Vs into 1 minus e to the power of minus t by Rc. Rc can also be denoted as tau. Normally capacitor takes 5 time constants to reach the final steady state voltage. So we are going to write a program in MATLAB. So the procedure is, first click on MATLAB icon on screen, and then click on the new file, M file, and then a window will be opened. There we are going to type the program, save the program, and then you are going to run the program, and you will get the output in command window. We are going to see that how the program is executed. Now we are going to see how to calculate the time constant calculation of RC circuit by writing a program in MATLAB. The procedure is, click on the MATLAB icon, then go to file, go to new, and click on script. Here we will write the program, or you can copy paste the program. Open the file. So this is the program. Clear all is used to clear the workspace commands. Close all is used to close all the windows or any graphs if they are opened before, and CLC it is used to clear the command window. And this is the program. Percentile circuit parameters, we are giving the value R equals to 2E3, 2 kilo ohms, and capacitance value is given as 100 microfarads. You can give any value as you wish, and tau equals to RC, percentile circuit time constant. Now run the program. So we will get the output in command window. So we got the value tau equals to 0.2.